This is Tiny 10, a lean build made for speed on 2026 hardware. It loads quick, it uses fewer resources, and it gives you more power for games and heavy apps. Today, we test how far it can go. Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let's get started. Windows 11 fills the Start menu with items you will not use. It comes with 36 extra apps that take space and distract you. This slows you down and wastes time. Now look at Tiny 10. No unnecessary pins or apps. Defender works. The Microsoft Store works. You get a simple layout and a system that responds faster. A clean Windows 11 install uses about 32.4 gigabytes before you add any apps. Most of that space goes to services, features, and programs you will never touch. Your storage runs out fast. Tiny 10 uses about 4.9 gigabytes. No clutter, no extra apps, no wasted space. It works well on devices with limited storage. On a system with 4 gigabytes RAM, Windows 11 uses roughly 2.3 gigabytes when idle. Tiny 10, right after installation, sits at about 1.2 gigabytes, over a full gigabyte lighter. With Velotic, you can shrink it further to around 800 megabytes or turn your current Windows into Tiny 10 or 11 in just one click. Velotic isn't a cleaner, it's a system overhaul. It raises FPS, cuts lag, and keeps your PC running like it's brand new, every single day. CPU and GPU are tuned automatically. Junk files are deleted before you even notice. Hidden slowdowns? Gone in real time. You get over 500 pro-level tweaks, one-click Windows debloat, instant app installs, and smart power management that adapts to how you work or play. It even compresses data safely to free up 70% more space without deleting anything. This isn't a quick fix. It's the same technology used by power users and studios to keep systems fast and reliable. Built over 3 years, tested by thousands, and refined with every update. $19.99 once. Lifetime speed, zero effort. Velotic. Built for performance users who refuse slow. Now we move to the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic, go to the debloat page, and press play. The tool handles everything for you. With one click, your system reaches Tiny 11 speed with no file loss and no broken features. You can check the full guide through the I button and the link in the description. Let's check CPU usage and background tasks. Windows 11 runs about 150 processes, over 2,000 threads, and close to 61,000 handles. Even when idle, it's doing work you don't need. Tiny 10 runs only 107 processes, 1,278 threads, and around 33,000 handles. It strips unnecessary background services but keeps all essential processes running. The result? Your CPU has more room to handle the tasks that matter: gaming, editing, or other demanding work. Now let's look at Geekbench 6 performance. A quick background. We were the first to release Tiny 11. Our initial Tiny 11 came out in 2021, just a week after Windows 11's developer build. Many of you may know NT Dev's version from 2023, but our builds were available well before that. Our Tiny 10 and 11 editions are designed for safe daily use, fully tested for security and stability, so you can run them without worrying about hidden risks common in other third-party builds. On the same system, Windows 11 scores 2,270 single-core and 5,872 multi-core. Tiny 10, built with efficiency in mind, delivers higher performance. On identical hardware, it processes tasks faster, handles multitasking better, and still maintains full stability and security. After testing, Tiny 10 scores 2,475 single-core and 6,672 multi-core, surpassing Windows 11 on the same machine. If you want to try it yourself, check the pinned comment for the Tiny 10 download link. Now let's go over Windows Defender and how it works in Tiny 10. Some users rely on it for security, some prefer a third-party antivirus, and others disable it because of false positives or alerts. Tiny 10 gives you complete control over how Defender works. By default, it is turned off to save resources, but you can enable it whenever you want. To activate it, open the Configure toolbox, go to the Windows Defender section, and click Enable. After that, restart your PC. Once back in Windows, open the Windows Defender panel in Settings. You will see that real-time protection is fully active. From this point, Defender starts protecting your system immediately, monitoring files and processes automatically. This method is simple, quick, and lets you decide exactly when and how your system is protected, keeping security under your control without slowing down your PC. Next, let's cover Windows updates. In Tiny 10, updates are paused by default. This means Windows will not install anything automatically unless it is a critical security update. This keeps your system stable and avoids unexpected restarts. If you want updates active, open the Settings app, go to Updates, and turn them on. Once enabled, your system will receive all available updates, including extended security updates, even though Windows 10 is officially out of support. You can also disable updates entirely using the Configure app. However, this is not recommended. Completely turning off updates can break Microsoft Store, cause security issues, and prevent other key system features from working correctly. Now, let's talk about the Microsoft Store in Tiny 10. It works the same as on a regular Windows build, as long as updates are enabled. It may take a few minutes for the store to refresh to the latest version in Tiny 10 Origin, but it functions without problems. Tiny 10 comes with no pre-installed apps, so you can add only what you need, like Notepad, Calculator, or Snipping Tool. Just search for the app, click Get, and it installs automatically, that's all. You can also sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account to access all your purchased apps and games seamlessly. And just like that, Calculator is installed and ready. Quick, smooth, and hassle-free. Tiny 10 2026 edition is a premium build designed for users who want a clean, secure Windows experience with modern features intact. It delivers smooth performance, minimal clutter, and no wasted resources. Free builds exist online from various creators, but using them carries risks: malware, instability, or missing features. If you want a system that is safe, fast, and stable, the premium Tiny 10 build is the best choice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is the Harbor of Tech, signing off.